Magpo-post akong ganyan. Okay, sige, let's do it. Stress si Chef Mom, hindi ko na alam kung magluluto ba ako, magpo-post. Hindi ko na alam kung anong klaseng post ang gusto mong gawin ko. Sorry. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Ang bilis naman dyan, wait lang. Luto na! Wait lang, nagkukot pa ako, wait. Let's cook! Let's eat! Let's go! Hello mga ka-Shaffies! Welcome back to my channel! And today, we're going down again the memory lane and magre-reminisce muli ako sa aking 17-year-old cooking show na Quick Fire. Doon sa mga hindi nakakaalam doon sa Quick Fire, paki-google nyo na lang o kaya search nyo dito sa YouTube because I was part of that show for ilang years then back in 2008. So, this is episode 5 of giving my 17-year-old 10-minute Quick Fire recipe a real-time glow-up. And if you haven't watched the previous episodes, gumawa na ako ng playlist dito sa YouTube, so please do check it out. And today's dish is shrimp popcorn salad and frozen grape slush. O, diba? Di pa talaga natigil sa isang dish, gumawa pa ng drink. So, like the previous episodes, I'm going to watch my old videos and try ko ulit na sabayan at kayanin ulit na magawa in 10 minutes yung aking mga recipes. At syempre, present pa rin ang ating ever-reliable palayok of revelations para sa mga twisted challenges. Bubunot naman ako ng sabotage card to make the challenge harder and kailangan kong gawin kung ano man ang sinasabi ng card habang ako ay nagluluto for 10 minutes. So, let's go! Kuha na isa. Okay, let's see. You must pause and strike a pose every time the timer beeps. Okay, sige, meron pa tayong nalalaman na gano'n. May strike a pose habang tayo nagluluto. I will do that o parang gano'n. Sige nga, ulitin mo nga, paano? Post akong ganyan. Okay, sige, let's do it. Panoorin natin ang ating Quick Fire episode. Yahoo! No. Ang hina na lang. Pagod. Pagod na.
Hello everyone and welcome to Quick Fire.
Oh, today it's with Julia Clarete. May pagbabasa pang nangyaring email dito. Sa 10 minutes, pinagkasya ko pa talaga yung pagbabasa ng email. Pero dati talaga, when I had a Quick Fire cooking show everyday, sobrang daming email. Nakakatawa. Ibig sabihin, maraming nanonood, diba? Tamang-tama yung eyeshadow ko dito. Grape color din for the grape slush. At violet din ang aking outfit. Okay, gawin na natin to. So, prompt shrimp popcorn salad. Oh, mabilisan talaga to. Alam ko na gagawin ko muna bago ang lahat, ha. Lagyan ko na ng salt and pepper yung ating pang-breading.
Wait a minute.
Set the timers because we're gonna start cooking.
Op! Sorry. Meron pa lang. Gawin na natin to. So, slice. Ang bilis naman ng aking 32-year-old self. Season natin. Salt and pepper. So, seasoned na yung ating prawn. So, i-atin na siyang i-breading. So, again, flour.
Lalagay ko siya dito sa egg. So when I'm gonna be mixing it, ang gagamitin ko naman would be my left.
Okay.
Ang galing. Para hindi siya makalat.
Correct. Nag-ano na lang ako. So, dapat talaga hindi makalat. Ating left hand naman ang pang-mix dito. There you go. So, pagod na si Chef Mom. May lagi na yung pag-post. Ay, nako. Lutuin natin maayos to. Okay. Ito na. So, habang wet yan, lalagyan na natin. Shucks, nag-deep fry na ako doon. Wait ka lang. Chef Mom, ba't ang mabilis mo? Okay, so coat na natin. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. Ang bilis naman dyan, wait lang. Luto na! Wait lang, nagkukot pa ako. Wait, maghuhugas muna ang kamay. Ilang minutes na ba? Pili-pressure ko masyado yung sarili ko. Cooking nga lang pala to. Let's go to the cooking part. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Okay, so let's start frying our shrimp popcorn. Ayan. Mainit na yung ating mantika. So let's just fry this. Mabilis lang yan. Basta mag-golden brown na, this is fine. Katulad nga ng sinabi ko dun sa aking quick fire video na napakabilis. Na-stress ako dun. Oh, wait lang. Di pa ako ready mag-plate. Fry ko muna to. Mahirap to mag-isa lang ako dyan, dalawa kami gumagawa. Pero kaya to 10 minutes. Tsaka like what I said, with quick fire naman, 10 minutes cooking time. Huwag tayo claim na kaya na lahat, pati prep time. Okay, good. Good. Nasa stress na si Chef Mom. Hindi ko na alam kung magluluto ba ako, magpo-post. Ulitin natin na mga ganun. Post. Ganun. Kunin ko na yung mga pwede na. Masunugan ako. Ayan. Pwede na to. Pwede na to. So, it's good. Ang bilis talaga. Pag mga ganitong seafood, yung prawns, squid, kailangan mabilis lang. Actually, 2 minutes cooking time lang dapat yan eh. If not, it will become rubbery. Lalo yung squid nyo.
Meanwhile,
How is it? Kamusta?
I love it.
Nasa ending na. Wait lang. Pa-ending na. Tikiman portion na. Okay, good. Balik tayo dun sa ating counter. Let's go. For our dressing, okay, meron tayo ditong mayonnaise, store-bought mayo, curry powder, for color, a little bit of olive oil or oil. Kung anong klaseng oil meron kayo, pwede naman. And then you have your onions and your cilantro. So let's just thin it out with a little bit more of the oil. Hop! Ay, sorry. Mali-mali na siya, Chef Mom. Ang hirap mo, challenge siya to. Okay, plating na lang to. Gawin na muna natin yung slush. Okay, so let's make the grape slush. Meron tayo ditong grape soda. Grabe mga pinagagawa ko sa quick fire para namang hindi pa parusay isang recipe lang, di ba? Kailangan pa meron drink. Okay, we have the apple juice. And then we have here some frozen grapes. Lagyan natin dyan. Titira ako for plating. Yan. We have here some mint. And then honey. Honey, my love, so sweet. And ice. Lagyan natin ice. Okay. There. Up. Ay! Okay, let's go. This is good. 3 minutes? Naku, may plating pa ako. Wait. Okay, let's go. Lagyan na natin yung ating ano ba namang klase? Ganito rin naman itsura nun, Ba't ganito yung ating dressing? Lagyan natin yung ating shrimp popcorn. For 2 minutes ka lang. May delay talaga. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng pose ang gusto mong gawin ko. Sorry. Tapos na ako. Sa lagyan na yan, mga ka-chefis, may pa-post-post pa sa mga kayang-kaya to gawin. There you have it. Here is my shrimp popcorn salad with our frozen grape slush. Go! Time to try my shrimp popcorn salad. Siyempre, we'll get the popcorn. We'll get a bit of the lettuce and the dressing. Meron ding apple. Okay, let's go. Ang sarap ng mixture ng shrimp with the apple and the dressing and the lettuce. Still does the work after 17 years. Mga ka-chefis, you should try this recipe. So, anong gusto nyo? Before or after? Feeling ko itong after. Ang sarap! Grabe mga ka-chefis, every time I do this episode, it's really very challenging kasi nga kailangan na matapos ko in 10 minutes. Pero syempre, naitatawid pa rin, even with the sabotage cards. And so, I hope that you enjoyed watching today's episode. Kahit na may mga kalokohan itong recipe na to, you should try to recreate it at home. And of course, mga ka-chefis, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Kung meron kayong mga suggestions, o mga gusto pa kayo i-recreate ko ng mga recipes, do let me know on the comment section below. Thank you again mga ka-chefis. See you again on the next episode. Bye! Ay, tikman ko muna yung ating... Meron pa rin tapos na... Okay. Pause. Tikman natin. Very refreshing. Ang sarap. Kaya nyo ito sa bahay nyo. Bye!